Today we'll learn how to read outside file, that is .text file, by using ByteArrayInputStream. So let's see how to do it. Here we will do. I have saved this file in C drive in Java2 folder. See this over here, and I have also created a text file inside here and written some text inside this. So let's see how to read by ByteArrayInputStream. First of all, I will write try catch block because we need try catch block or throws exception over here. So because that's input stream, because the IO class is used inside here, so we will write try catch. Here I will write exception ex message ex if there is any fault or file will not be found, so that exception will be displayed over here. So I have given exception handling over there because we are using file handling IO operations here, so we need that try catch block. Now we will write our code for our buffer input stream. Let's write the code. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream. Here we will give the path. As our file is located in the same file where our .java file is existing, so we won't need to give any file C drive and this file and that file. We just need to give this this name and .txt. So let's do it. Text.txt, and yeah, here given the path. So now we will write buffered input stream. And we will copy this thing, buffered input stream, new buffered input stream. Here we will, in this argument, we will pass this reference variable of file input stream, and now we will create new int. Okay, we have created an int. Now we have to write the file by buffer input stream first of all, because we can't read directly file by ByteArrayInputStream. We just cannot put that file input stream reference variable inside argument of ByteArrayInputStream. So we need to do this first. So we'll do first this. Let's see how to do it. Now I will write a while loop. Inside while loop I will write till how extent it will read. We have to initialize over here, or we can just keep it as it is, because its default value is 0. We have just initialized that, don't worry, it's initialized by default. J, that means from 0 position of the file. J is equal to B BufferedInputStream dot read. It will read the file, and we have to specify till how extent it will stop reading the file. That means -1. Remember always while reading the file, if your large text more than one size, more than one size of text, that means more than one character you have, then you have to write it in while loop. It won't read the otherwise, so we have to write it in while loop. And this -1 I have kept. Why I have kept? Because whenever it is 0, it will start reading from 0th position, and it will check if this condition is true or not. That means in every file, in the end it is -1. This integer will be there, so it will say that -1 is not equal to -1, so it will the condition will be false, and then the while loop will stop. That means the reading will be stopped. Whenever it will go in end, it will find -1, so it will be -1 is equal to -1. But what you have specified over here, -1 is not equal to -1, so it will just stop reading the file and break the loop. That's how it works. Now let's now give new character char c is equal to new char, and we will specify the length as 1024, biggest length. It's end length, I think so. That's why we are specifying it. We have to give here big length, so it doesn't matter how much length we will give over here, but it should be big. Yeah, it should be big. And here we will give byte, BYTE. Just copy it and paste it over here, and we will give your name as B. And now we will write a for loop. Here we will initialize the for loop, and now we will give the length of it, till how much extent it will the loop will follow. That is I smaller than c dot length. Okay, it will be means like if we will if there is a length of 5, then it will check in the loop, and then smaller than 5. If it is 5, then it will catch 4 over here. Then 0 is smaller than 4. It will check. That's how it works. Means if I is equal to 0, then it will go over here. 0 is smaller than 4. It will check. Then if the condition is true, it will go inside the loop and follow the loop, and then again it will go and increment, and 1 is smaller than 4, then again go inside the loop, and then again go 2 is smaller than 4, and then again go to the loop, and that's how it's done. And now we'll give the increment operator here, and we'll open close. This I is equal to 0. Initialize, we'll give the condition. That means we will give the length, how much till how much it will increment or decrement, and we will give increment or decrement argument. over here. And now we will specify here that we'll convert our see this j is now integer. We have to convert it in character now. So how we will do it? I is equal to chair, okay, j. Here we will convert, and b I is equal to byte c I. Okay, now the for loop is done. See this, how it will work, that when this while loop will run, it will start running this file. It will always do, if there is four letters inside it, it will do 4 times. It will print this thing 4 times. And see this, I is equal to 0, 0, 0 is smaller than 4. If it is length is 4, 0 is smaller than 4, that means 5. If it is over here, so 0 is smaller than 4, then it will go inside here 0, then this character will be converted in the 0th position of C. This C array's 0th position, and then again B0 byte this C0 value. This character will be converted to byte, and then you have to use this byte inside our ByteArrayInputStream. So this the loop will be continued till it will become, this condition will be false till. It means if there is 0 is smaller than 4, if the condition will be then just like that, then the condition is false, so the loop will be broke. So let's write next for loop. I will just copy it and paste it over here, and now I will just make some little bit changes. I will write it over here 2, sorry, that will be I2, and here also I2, and this will be normal, this will be 1. Remember this, by this for loop it will repeat 4 times. This will print 4 times. This I will be printed 4 times. Each and 4 times, not means how much the length will be of your character. It will repeat that much time. That's why it's the length, no? C dot length. So till that extent it will repeat. Means A, if it is there, then A will repeat 4 times. If the length is 4, if the letter length is 4, means the text length is 4, it will repeat 4 times. C1, C2 will repeat 4 times, C3 will repeat 4 times. That's how it will be done. I will show you how it will be displayed. C whatever it is, array, and ByteArray, that's ByteArray, how it will be displayed. I will show you. Now I will remove this thing, don't need this thing, it's written over here. And now we will write we will create new reference variable for ByteArrayInputStream. ByteArrayInputStream BAIS is equal to, we'll just copy it, and we will paste it over here. Sorry, and yeah, that's done. now we'll provide or be inside this. Remember this thing, inside ByteArrayInputStream, inside this argument you always have to input a ByteArray variable name. So you should it accept the values in ByteArray form. So you should convert that whatever it is inside into a byte array thing. So that's why I've done this thing. I took a for loop, then I have converted that int value into character, then converted that character value to byte, so that there won't be any confusion. So let's see if it is working or not. I've just given a byte array inside this thing, and now I will specify I will print. I will specify how to print that that values inside that values over here. Let's see, int. I will first take int k and then initialize it. Let's do it. K we'll take int k and then now initialize it. See this, I've initialized it over here. That means from 0th position it will start reading, and then k is equal to BAIS dot read. It will read the whatever text is inside. Okay, it will read whatever text is inside this reference variable, that is inside this byte array string. Oh, sorry, byte array. Let's now write our print statement. System.out.println. Oh, sorry, print system.out.print. Now we have to print k over here. Now as now we are not reading directly from file. You're reading the byte array. You're reading the byte array directly from over here, na. We are reading from BufferedInputStream, whatever this for loop we are reading. From here we are reading the byte array, so we don't need to give the ending point or whatever it is. Don't need to do it. Just directly we can just directly give this name bis.read, this method. And that means it is in this ByteArrayInputStream this method will be called, and that file will be read. And now we will convert this k, that is byte value, sorry, that is byte value into character. Okay, and this is how it will be displayed. Our text inside the file will be displayed into the compiler. So let's see if it is working or not. First of all, I will show you the file, what it's written over there. So I will show the file. This is the file, this is the text written over here, and now I will show you how it will be displayed. Java C T tab Java. Okay, something is wrong over here. C.length, it's not there over here. What happened? Everything is perfect over here. What is the problem? Oh yeah, here we don't need to give this because it's not a method. That's why we don't need to give this bracket. Let's see. I'll just save this thing. Now run. and yeah, done. Clear it. And now let's see if it is reading our file or not. See this, it's reading perfectly our file. So that's how it is done. And now I will show you why I was saying for not to putting the whole this thing inside this for loop. Now I will show you. System.out.println. So let's write over here system.out.println, and we'll write this thing over here. Okay, this thing, we'll cut this thing. And that is the 10123 and whatever it is, and is equal to we will put over here this thing, sorry, we'll put over here this C array. Okay, this is how we will print this thing. Let's do the another one also. Here we will give B, simply B. That's done, and then B. Yeah, that's done. So now I'm going to show you how it will be displayed if we will print this values inside this, and if we will take this thing inside this for loop. So I will show you why it is why I've took another for loop inside that thing. Wait for a while. Sorry, I've written a spelling wrong. YSTEM YST. Yeah, let's compile it now. So we run it. See this, that's why I am saying it will never work like this. See this, it's going on displaying TTT and all that thing. So I've just I've just created a for loop and then converted this thing inside this for loop. Then I have given displaying thing, and using that byte array variable inside this argument, and then displaying it with ByteArrayInputStream. And this is why I have given this another for loop for this. And I've worked for this for 5 hours. I was not getting a solution. Finally I've got the solution, and now that's why I'm sharing with you guys, so that you guys won't get any trouble for displaying the another file's value or text with the help of ByteArrayInputStream. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Let's run it again. I am enjoying it to do again and again now, because I've found the solution after so much time. This is the text. See, now I will show you by writing any other text over here. Anything will write over here. Sorry, I will now write Legend Mortal, my channel's name. Legend Mortal. I'll save it. Let's see if it is displaying or not. See this, it's displaying perfectly with the help of ByteArrayInputStream. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Help me grow my channel. Peace. And yeah, one more thing guys, I have uploaded this whole code inside in my blogspot, that is blogger site. So the link is down in description. Go there and check the link, and you will find the code. And I have just shown you how to do it. So peace.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon beside subscribe button to get notification as soon as I uploaded any video, and don't forget to comment on my video if any